Welcome to the Rise and Shine channel. What's the first thing you do when your alarm goes off? Do you snooze it, or grab your phone and scroll? Most people drain their energy before they even get out of bed. But confident, put-together girls? Their mornings look different. Not because they're perfect, but because they're intentional. Today I'm not just sharing a school morning routine. I'm sharing a system that boosts confidence, reduces stress, and changes how you show up. And yes, anyone can do this. The first 5 minutes after your alarm goes off set the tone for your entire day. If you immediately grab your phone, your brain gets overwhelmed with information, notifications, messages, comparisons. Instead, try this. Keep your eyes closed for a moment. Take a deep breath. Ask yourself, what kind of energy do I want to bring to school today? Calm? Confident? Focused? This small awareness shifts everything. Open your curtains. Let natural light in. Light signals your brain to wake up and boosts serotonin levels. Making your bed may seem small, but psychologically, it signals completion. Your brain loves small wins. When you start your day with order, you feel more in control, and that confidence follows you to school. Skincare isn't just about appearance. It's self-respect. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Avoid hot water, it damages your skin barrier. Apply a light moisturizer suitable for your skin type. And most importantly, sunscreen. Even indoors, UV rays affect your skin. Starting sun protection early prevents future pigmentation and premature aging. If you wear makeup to school, the goal is simple. Look fresh and awake. Use light concealer instead of heavy foundation. Focus mascara at the roots. Set your brows for a more polished look. And lip balm, small detail, big difference. Too much makeup attracts attention. The right makeup creates admiration. Hair is 50% of your appearance. Choose effortless but neat styles. Low ponytail, half-up hair, or soft waves. Minimal accessories elevate the look instantly. Going to school hungry lowers focus. Include protein for longer energy. Hydrate. Even mild dehydration causes fatigue. Look in the mirror. Shoulders back. Say, I am enough. I am beautiful as I am. Being put together isn't just about looks. It's energy. Posture. Self-respect. The most noticeable girl at school isn't the one with the most makeup. It's the one who walks with confidence.